Hey everybody, I came to stream today, but I forgot my gimbal at home because I left in a rush. I'm a genius, and I know I can stream without the gimbal, but yeah, I've done that before. It is shaky and it's no good. So I'm just going to upload a video today instead of nothing. New location for a fog machine over here by Major Suites. This wasn't last night, but the night before, the bulbs are finally in over in New York. And it's about to rain here because the thunderstorm really goes by. Park Avenue food booths are decorated and lit up. I know it's not really dark out, but you can see it well enough. It looks pretty cool. I was looking at some food booths from Horror Nights from just a few years ago, and these have come a long way. Very minimalistic when they first started, but they're just getting better and better every year. If you want your mummy, bad news for you today, nobody is riding that right now. Team members or guests, unless there are people riding it who work in there, which I don't think that's true either. But entrance is closed. Walls are up still, unfortunately. Definitely feels like Halloween Horror Nights opening night right now, weather-wise, I think. But look at that wind, man. Woo. All right, it's getting pretty crazy out here. The lightning was pretty crazy earlier, but I wasn't in the right place to record it. And this umbrella keeps blowing inside out. I think this theming is new for the registers. So this is Halloween Horror Nights opening night training. New details over in San Francisco for that scare zone. I don't know if this is, actually it is new today because I was walking through yesterday and I didn't see them, so. Also new is, I'm guessing, a victim or something that isn't family friendly. Also, these doors were just swinging around just a moment ago. Missed that. Up there we go. More details over here. Should take that home for Stella. That's cool. Oh no, the fur's getting wet! Well, this will be full with water pretty soon. I don't know if it's watertight, but it'll be full for at least a little bit. If you've been watching my streams, I've been saying that I think these are going to be backlit because they look like they will be. I also thought this would be colored, and they are. But thanks to BioReconstruct for showing this, we know that. You can also see the LED lighting I've been talking about on the outside. And like I said, when I came through here before, I expected it to be RGBW lights on top, and that's what they are. Wish I could show you some of the lightning strikes I saw earlier. I'm not seeing where they're coming from at this point. They were coming from that direction, but I don't know. Can't see them anymore. Ooh, look at that cloud. It's so Halloween. Even darker on the screen. It always looks like a tornado starting when I see that. I know it isn't, but it always looks like one. Ooh, these will be glowing red. For some reason, the cover for the register looks a little bit like a dolphin to me, even though it really doesn't. But the lighting is also on over here, some uplighting in the back, which is cool. And you can see the down lighting is purple. Go a little wider, just to show you this. This bar as well. Purple down lighting, green backlighting. Looks really congested over here. I feel like they really should move this palm tree and probably that table, at least before it opens for opening night. Because again, not a whole lot of space to walk through. And then, you know, have a lot of people, have drunk people. Pretty soon I'm expecting to see a sign for this year's second show, which is Nightmare. See, the lighting is on for this booth as well. pretty soon there probably will be some more booths over there. Something like sort of carts basically for merchandise next to the M. Damn. I just missed a really cool lightning bolt that lasted a really long time, and then as soon as it happened, it's like, why was I not recording that? Oh, and of course, I was recording that, but you didn't see it. So I'm ready to declare no chainsaws in Springfield this year, which I'm very upset about because honestly, I really miss those. This area is open again. Chief Wiggum and his car still being refurbished, but they should be here soon, I would think. Look how it doesn't match, though. So no progress really on this area. Some are saying that this is going to be a structure for a building. I don't know about that. Well, this is new to me. Interesting, covering over the existing fountain. Looks pretty cool. I spotted this a while ago. Now I see why it's here. There's also some uplighting here. And I'm guessing these are probably battery operated candles. We've seen them before during Horror Nights. See, the skulls are lit up. That's pretty cool. You see the food equipment in there. Obviously popcorn's gonna be. I can see a little better. Got some popcorn in there, or at least it will be. And this truss is still over here by itself. It has not, nothing's been added to it in quite a while. Yeah, it's definitely raining. I'm not really seeing anything new in this area. Not sure if they're finished with it, but I'm not seeing anything new right now. I didn't realize this until after my previous stream, but this set piece over here has been rotated 90 degrees. And I believe this was moved across the street because you can see where it was initially, this little L shape. So that was over here, and I think the arch, or not arch, but whatever that is, I think that was over here as well, and then they decided, no, let's put it over here. Again, one of the fog machines, very nicely hidden. It's gonna possibly have a really cool effect building up behind this door. Somewhat hidden, but not really. At the entrance of the Universal Studios store, it is still set up as Jurassic World Dominions, but that's going to be changing soon. I keep saying that. It's gotta be soon. Over here in production, recently, well, yesterday, this was added with the 31, which is a number that's grossly underutilized during Horror Nights 2022. The vines are new as of today, and so are all these. More candy, which makes sense because this is like a traditional Halloween, because 31. And it kind of looks more like, I guess not really Mardi Gras, but some chocolate candies. Obviously it's not really chocolate or candies, but very small bags. Non-carved pumpkins. These are all starting to get circuited so they can light up. Some of these lights are starting to be aimed down. In other words, they're being focused. Once again, another look into what used to be Monsters Cafe. Very wide open, very gutted. Over here, some new theming, pretty cool. Kind of generic, but pretty cool. The hotspots on that is pretty much what it looks like in person. And this is obviously going to change soon for Horror Nights food. Bar's looking just about the same. I'm still thinking there's going to be another side to it, but right now, nope. But obviously they lit up what is going to be the menu for the bar. Interesting. So this was not covered a few days ago. I think this wasn't even covered yesterday. I guess too many people are messing with it, you know, kids. So I'm thinking now that might just be candy over there, because you can see, maybe not, but you can see a little bit of candy over here. But yeah, this is not covered until today, as far as I know. Unless, of course, they made it gorier instead of just candy. I guess we'll have to find out. This food area, which is all year round now, has had weekend theming added to it. I feel like they should just enclose this and make this a permanent structure instead of leaving it the elements. Kind of want to go over to those people and like ask to place an order, and if they say we don't work here, I'm say, so why are you back there? Back in the Born Stortacular. Looks like those retractable badge holders are still out of stock for now. Hopefully they'll come back in. I don't know. I kind of want one, but I really don't need one, so I don't know if I'm gonna buy one. Well, what was supposed to be a long live stream turned out to be a short video. Great. But thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. I should be back streaming probably Monday, most likely Tuesday.